Ever wonder about the most complex organ in your body, the one that's listening to this very sentence right now? Yes, we're talking about the human brain, a marvel of nature that holds the keys to our personality, our memories, and our abilities. Today, we'll be counting down 10 mind-blowing facts about this enigma within our skulls, exploring its power, its capacity, and its influence on our lives. So buckle up for this fascinating journey into the human mind. Let's dive in, shall we? Fact number 10. Your brain consumes about 20% of your body's total energy. Imagine this, your brain, a mere 2% of your body's weight, is a power-hungry organ, gobbling up energy at a rate far greater than any other organ. It's like a tiny 3-pound supercomputer running 24/7, making sense of the world around you, controlling your body and shaping your very thoughts. Now, isn't that something to marvel at? That's a lot of power for something that weighs just 3 pounds. Coming in at number 9, your brain is about 75% water. That's right, 3/4 of your brain is made up of water. This isn't just a fun fact, it's crucial to how your brain functions. Water provides the brain the electrical energy for all brain functions, including thought and memory processes, and it's been proven that dehydration can lead to cognitive decline and damage. That's why it's so important to stay well hydrated. So, remember to stay hydrated, your brain depends on it. Fact number 8. Your brain can change and adapt. This is known as neuroplasticity. It's a remarkable feature that allows your brain to reshape itself based on your experiences and actions. For instance, learning a new language or skill can actually rewire your brain, creating new neural pathways. Even recovering from injury, the brain can reorganize itself to compensate. So remember, each time you challenge yourself to learn or experience something new, you're literally reshaping your brain. Your brain is constantly adapting to your experiences. Fact number 7. Your brain can't feel pain. Now this might sound a bit strange, especially if you've ever had a throbbing headache. But indeed, your brain doesn't have pain receptors, which are specialized nerve endings that detect painful stimuli. This is why neurosurgeons can perform brain surgery on patients while they're awake. The patients can interact with the surgeons, which helps guide the procedure without causing any physical discomfort in the brain itself. This lack of pain receptors in the brain also means that injuries to the brain don't cause pain in the way that injuries to other parts of the body do. However, it's important to note that while the brain itself can't feel pain, it plays a crucial role in processing pain signals from the rest of the body. It's the brain that tells you your stubbed toe hurts, or that your hand is burning. Although it can't feel pain, your brain is responsible for processing pain signals from the rest of your body. Fact number 6. Information in your brain travels at speeds of up to 268 miles per hour. Imagine that. Our neurons, these tiny powerhouses, zip information across their networks faster than you can blink. This high-speed data transmission is what lets us react in the blink of an eye, whether it's dodging a flying object or catching a falling glass. It's an incredible feat of biological engineering and a testament to the brain's efficiency. That's faster than a race car. Fact number 5. Your brain's memory capacity is equivalent to 1 million gigabytes. Picture this. If your brain were a digital video recorder in a television, it could hold 3 million hours of TV shows. You'd have to leave the TV running continuously for more than 300 years to use up all that storage. The brain's capacity is so expansive, it outstrips even the highest storage options in today's technology. Now, isn't that something to marvel at? That's a lot of selfies. Fact number 4. Your brain contains about 86 billion neurons. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a neuron? Well, in the simplest terms, neurons are the primary cells of our nervous system, acting as the body's message carriers. They play an integral part in how we process information, how we think, feel, and interact with the world around us. These neurons communicate with each other using electrical impulses. Picture a vast, intricate network of wires, transmitting and receiving signals at lightning speed. That's essentially what's happening in your brain every single moment of your life. And here's where it gets even more mind-boggling. Each of these 86 billion neurons can connect with up to 40,000 other neurons, creating an almost unfathomable number of connections. Imagine the complexity, the sheer volume of information that can be transmitted and processed within this network. Each neuron connects with, on average, 40,000 synapses. That's a lot of connections. Fact number 3, your brain is more active when you dream than when you're awake. Isn't that mind-blowing? During the REM stage of sleep, our brain activity spikes, lighting up like a Christmas tree. This is when most dreams occur. Scientists believe this might be due to our brain processing and consolidating memories, emotions, and experiences from our waking hours. So, when you're enjoying those wild dreams, remember your brain is working overtime. So, dream on. Fact number 2. Your brain is one of the oldest parts of your body. Yes, indeed, your brain is as old as you are. While cells in other parts of your body renew over time, the neurons in your brain are generally with you for life. This makes your brain a living chronicle of your experiences, your memories, your knowledge. Its age is significant because it's a testament to your life's journey. Your brain has been with you from the very beginning. And finally, fact number 1, we only understand a fraction of how the brain works. Despite advancements in neuroscience, the brain remains largely a mystery. We know it's responsible for everything we think, feel, and do, but how it accomplishes these tasks is still largely unknown. We've mapped the brain's physical structure, identified its regions and their functions, but when it comes to the nitty-gritty details of how our thoughts and emotions are formed, we're still in the dark. It's like having a map of a city but not knowing what goes on inside the buildings. The brain's complexity is astounding. With around 100 billion neurons, each with up to 10,000 connections, it's a network of unfathomable intricacy. While we've learned a lot about the brain, there's still so much more to discover. The brain, it appears, is its own final frontier. So, there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about your brain. From its enigmatic existence within our skull, its remarkable power consumption, to its ability to change and adapt. We've delved into its water content, pain insensitivity, and incredible speed, not forgetting its vast memory capacity, the billions of neurons, its influence on dreams, and its age-old mysteries. It's a testament to the